What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in East Los Angeles. Haven't been out here in a while. Got a refurbished section. They've had the most heat out of all the Nike outlets we've been to as well. So yeah, let's go see what they got. All right, I am late. I know I usually need to come here right when they open, but a little bit late. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if we find something. Always got to check the front counters. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. Sometimes they got a little heat wall up. No heat walls either. All right, let's go check out the clearance section. Okay, they do have a heat wall. Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right, let's take a look. It does look like they're going for retail with all these prices. Separate wall from that heat wall right there. But yeah, they do got the jades. Shit, I forgot the jade something. I forgot. People just reminded me. There were like 5 people that reminded me on my last video. This is what it is. But yeah, $1.90 for these. Okay, so $10 off. This is a size 9.5, but we've seen that everywhere. Do got one of these. This is size 8.5 for the Obsidian 13s. Got some women's dunks. I think we saw this at Pasadena, right? I think we saw these there. Size 10 women, size 8.5 men's. Got the 14s, winterized 14s, going for $210. Bo Jackson trainers, pretty dope colorway. Size 8, going for $1.50. Got these. I'm a huge fan of this colorway. This one's huge though, size 13 or something. I don't know, it's like a 12, at least a 12. Oh, it's a 12 retail. Then these Air Max 90s. Oh, this is an interesting colorway. Dia de los Muertos or something. Siempre Familia, one of those. But yeah, these are going for $1.30. Okay, size 9. This might be a size 9 women's, so I think so. Got velvet in the inside. Wow. Okay. And then got these size 5.5 women's Jordan 6s. That's it. All right, so that is their little heat wall right here. Not too bad. Not too bad. Let's go take a look at the 20% off stuff right here. They also got refurbished stuff too. This is where we try to find all the deals. 20% off this time. So a little different from a couple weeks ago. Do you got the breads? The bread 36s? Size 9.5. To be able to get this for 20% off, that's not bad. Not bad. This colorway just came out too. More size 9.5. These are the GT. What are these? The GT jumps. $1.80 for these. This is like one of the premier basketball sneakers for Nike. $1.80. Do you get 20 off? What the hell is this? What's this? The Zoom Veronas go for $40. You got some nice suede on it. It is a slip-on. Totally looks like some Vans. This is a Nike SB going for $40. Normally $75. In the size 10s, you see some more SBs. Adversary premiums. These are interesting. Go for $80. Size 10. Vaporfly Next Percent's going for $1.20. It is gently worn. Free Run Trails going for $55. These are gently worn as well. Air Max 2017, like a olive colorway or something. Going for $165. Waffle ones going for the full 100. Dang. Size 10.5. They do got some Naja Freeze. Those are good for $48. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. Wow, that is gently worn. Some Tanjunes, what the hell? Epic Reacts going for $120. All right, let's move to the size 11. So you got some Blazers? Size 11. It says it's a vintage. It's a Nike Low Blazer vintage by you. Oh, this is one of the Nike by Yous. It does look like it's worn, obviously. It's going for $53. I've never seen this material. This is like a dope material, to be honest. 53 to get 20 off, so what? $44, something like that. That's a dope find if you don't mind wearing, or if you don't mind getting sneakers that have already been worn. Infinity Refined 2 is going for $80. Ooh, that's actually really nice, gently worn. Presto's going for full retail. Do got LeBron's going for $130. So close to $100 after the discount. I was like, some babes? What the hell? These look like some babes. We got some Air Force Ones, Nike by You Air Force Ones. Definitely interesting. A lot of patent leather on it. Not gonna see that just anywhere. $130. That is 11.5. Size 12 Air Max 95s going for $190. Another one of those, different colorway. Okay, there's a lot of canvas on this one. $180 for that one. Air Force Ones, some interesting material. $110 for those. Size 13, some pole vaulting shoes. That's really specific. Nike pole vault elites go for $66. Cosmetically flawed though. Some golf sneakers. React Infinity Pros go for $72. Alpha Fly Next Percents, 12.5 going for $130. That's not bad. I was like, is that Jordan 1 lows? Yeah, but they're Jordan 1 low golf. Size 14s. 14s. Be able to get them for retail. Not bad. Not bad. Size 14. Pegasus 37. Size 14s going for $48. Gently worn. Nike by You. Soldier 14s. Oh man, those are huge. Size 18 go for $96. Don't see these too much. Nike Court React Vapor Necks. So these are the ones for tennis. Got some Kyrie flavor right here, huh? Okay, going for $80. Speaking of Kyrie's, size 18s go for $90. PG's going for $50. These are size 18. All right, let's check out some of the smaller sizes, 9 and below. The Nike Offline, these are like the $100 slides that they do have. Okay, these are very beefy slides. Oh my goodness. The inserts come out, or the insoles, they do come out as well. Maybe easier to wash and stuff with that. Yeah, these are going for $65, normally $135. Wow. Do get that extra 20% off though. ADG Golf, size 9.5, going for $140. Blazers, going for $100. Got some of the Be True ones, going for $70. If you're playing hoops, you got LeBron's for $100, gently worn. iShot Wear is down to $50, normally $100. Dang, dude, that brings it down to what, $40 after the savings. Wow. Size 9, do got some Oregon Duck. Pegasus 38s going for $130. More of these free run trails going for $70. They look alright. Dude got some blazers, more blazers going for $100. Ooh, that extra long hair suede. Ooh, I'm a fan of those. Ooh, those are nice. 8.5 Tempo Next Percents going for $120. Holy crap, these look small. Oh my goodness, 8.5. Dang, $120. So that's under $100 after the discount. Wow. Ooh, KDs, size 9 going for $150. Some Air Forces, never seen that one. Oh, it's a Nike by You going for $140. One of those as well, going for $110. All right, let's go check out the aisles, see what they got in the aisles. SB Court Blazers go for $35. This is the blazer, but it is a canvas version. $35. That's hella cheap. We got some boots. Y'all need boots. Killshot 2 leathers, seen plenty of those. Multiple colorways, all going for the same price. Blazers, they getting regular price for these. Metcon 6s, Metcon Sports. Yeah, they got those. Do got 2017s, Air Max 2017s. That is super loud ones if you need one that's hella loud. Do got some KD 14s. We've seen some for hella cheap. That's almost regular price though. Ton of extras, generic stuff. The Reposto? What the hell? Man. All right, we're done. Let's look around some other spots. Are we on the clearance section for men's clothing? Are they already coming out with Wilson jerseys for the Jets? What the hell? It's a small regular price. Do got a car jersey, $50 for these. This is a medium. Rodgers jersey, what's this going for? Let's go for $160, which is an on-field jersey, kind of like a swingman, mid-grade. Jordan hoodie going for $105, normally $150. Did forget to mention it is 20% off the clearance clothing. Damn, this thing is super nice. A nice thin hoodie, USA hoodie. it's for yoga. What the hell? Team USA Yoga. What the F is that? Yeah, 95 for those. That's regular price though. The medium. Got a Jordan UCLA jersey. That's 40 bucks, dude. Normally 100 bucks. That's what, $36? Hell, damn. No, actually $32. Oh wow, super cheap. Got a couple of mediums. That's what's up. We saw this hoodie last time. $30. $30, 20% off. Wow, that's what, 24 bucks? 24 bucks. That's so cheap. I don't think I have anything that matches this. 24 bucks for a. These normally went for $90. That other colors, maybe I'd mess with that. Dodgers warm up long sleeve pullover. $70 for those. That's XL. UCLA hoodie going for $60, normally $75. That's a double XL. None of the shorts really sticking out. Additional 20% off. These are pretty dope. This is a double XL. The flight, Jumpman flight shorts. It's kind of like a fleece material. Super thick fleece. $35. Normally $70. Get an extra 30% off. Yeah, I can't do black fleece because it fades too much. Also not my size as well. That's just Nike golf shorts. No price tag on it. What the hell? It's literally a blank price tag. What the hell? All right, we still got to check out the women's clearance real quick. See what they got. Size 12. This is size 10.5 men's. Tempo Next Percent Flyknit. Normally two bills down to $109.97. You get an extra 20% off of that. Wow, size 10.5 men's. I usually wear 10.5 for running for most stuff, and these are big. These run, oh my goodness, these run a size big. Wow. This is a 12. I think this is a 12 men's. So someone just put this in the wrong section. Okay, that's why. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, that's bouncy though. Oh my goodness, extra bouncy. All right, size 12 for men's. Go for hella cheap. Been tried on though by me. Got some 10.5 gently worn Air Maze. Go for $90, 50% off, and then you get that extra discount. Crater Impacts go for $50. Daybreaks is size 12 women's. Go for $66. Like new. Got these interesting Jordan winterized Jordans. $150 for those. That's size 11. All right, going back to the regular sizes. Size 9.5 go for $110. Okay. Size 9 Vaporfly Next Percent going for $2. Some Blazer Lows going for $95. This is size 9. Vaporfly Next Percent going for $125. This does say gently worn. Invincible Run Flyknits going for $108. That's the cheapest we've seen those. That's like new. Hirachis going for regular price. Got some patent leather on it. Okay. Air Force One Fontankas. These are size 8.5. Going for $110 retail. Nike by Priscilla. Some OG Challengers going for $110. Air Force One Pixels, size 8.5, $100. There ain't not much in the women's. Air Max Thea Mids going for $85. This is size 8. All the Hirachis going for retail. Got some tie-dye Vans right here, aka Nike Court Legacy Slips, going for $60. We got some Converse boots. The weird box, $100 for these, size 7. Wait, that's 9 women's. Men's 7. Put it in the wrong section. This is the 7, size 7. For the women's, got Alpha Fly Next Percent go for $2. Our women's section been just mediocre. That's kind of the way their aisles have been as well. Just haven't seen anything dope in the aisles forever. Do got a couple of Metcons here. Going for $110. Okay. But that's really about it. Nothing much. Dang it. What the hell are these? The Court Royale suedes. Got some Space Hippies. And that's it. I think we're going to wrap it up, you guys. Didn't find the craziest heat. Always can find deals here because they do have that refurbished section. But I think that's about it today. All right, I was going to wrap it up, but there's a Foot Locker here. Let's go see what they got. I don't know. Like, they haven't had much in a while. A lot of Foot Lockers have been dry, but we'll check real quick. Dang, these are on sale for $170. Do got some collabs. Alexander John Puma collabs. Still, these are normally $250 down to $170. That's crazy for some Pumas. Okay, okay. These are on sale. I don't know if that's your thing. Okay. Dude got the Jurassic Park Club C's right here. Man, I do like the material on these, man. They're $60, normally $100. So not too bad. They still got these, huh? Dang, dude. Thought these would be gone by now. Nope, nope. $140, $160. Forgot they went up a decent amount. Wow. And then still can't get rid of these, huh? The weird miscolored Dame collabs. Man, got these on sale. This is one they were. Oh, this one they were $150 down to $100. Okay, they do got Brotherhoods here. Do got Brotherhoods. This looks like a size what, 11? Yeah, that's the size 11. Okay, okay. I still think the colorway is pretty nice on this. Materials, I'm telling you, look at that material. I'm telling you, material is super nice on these. Man, not bad. All right, do got the Del Sols. Do got these bad boys. What's the size 10? One of these available or a couple? I don't know, but not bad, not bad. I can't believe they still got these here. Damn, dude, I thought these were all sold out everywhere. I'm gonna have to keep my eye out on this spot. See if the price goes down a little bit more. This is size 10.5. If the price goes down a little bit more, I might have to jump on that. So I think we saw these for 60, but they didn't have my size at one of the outlets. And then dude got these. I actually love this silhouette. Not a fan of this color though. Not the two-tone. I'm good on all that. Yeah, $160. These haven't gone up yet, so that's good. Alright, I think this video is getting a little bit long, but could cover a little bit of the grade school. Look at this. Got some dunks. This is pretty small. 4.5. That is grade school. 4.5. Okay. Alright. That's what happens when they don't have resale. Just people don't like them. Dang. Then do got these. These are kind of crazy for kids. It looks like got some animal fur on it or something. Okay, 140, 140 or 130. I don't know. Grade school. Then colorway I have not seen in the men's. That's pretty dope. The LeBron 19s, and then a Keeps You Fresh colorway of the Kyrie 8s, Kyrie Infinity. They do got the reverse flu games, or was that the reverse food poison playoff 12s, and then they got the core purple 13s in the grade school. And they have tons of apparel. I just don't have time. Got to keep them moving. Man, dude, it's crazy. Foot Locker really just slowed down. Nike just took away some stock, and then, man, it's really slowed down their output, like big time, dang. It's crazy. All right, let's wrap it up.